that's time for us to start our meeting today. So let's start our meeting today by saying good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, good evening, Siselwa and friends. So, how is it going in this evening? Are you happy? Good? Something special?
Uh, so far happy,
Hmm? So
happy,
far, so good?
Miss. Yeah, of
Happy.
course.
Okay. Nice to hear that. Siselwa, what would you like to do tomorrow? Besok mau ngapain? Especially for Saturday.
Nothing, maybe just sleeping
Hmm?
because every day,
Just sleeping?
yeah,
Hmm?
because every day is a changing day. So I just wanna sleeping in my day off.
Okay. In your day off. What time do you work and do you go home?
What, Miss?
What
What
time do you
time?
work and do you go home? Mm-mm.
I'm college, Miss. I'm go to college at
Oh,
7
okay.
o'clock, and I'm home at 4 p.m.
What
o'clock.
time? 4 p.m.?
Yeah,
Oh my God. Don't you feel tired?
yeah, of course, because always busy.
Mm-mm. Always busy. How many lecture do you get in a day?
Huh?
How many lecture do you get in a day? Berapa mata kuliah dalam sehari?
Uh, just one, but tapi isinya praktek, Miss.
What is your major?
I'm mechanical engineering.
Oh, mechanical engineer. Okay. So that it has a lot of practice on your lecture. Jadi lebih banyak prakteknya ya daripada teorinya.
Yeah.
Oke. Semangat.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. So, well, everyone, thank you so much for attending the class today. It means that now we are going to talk about describing person. Okay, karena hari ini kita akan mendeskripsikan seseorang. And one of the person, it is a friends. Wait. Oke, listriknya lagi mati. Semoga aman sinyalnya. Oke, but can you still hear my voice?
Yes, still.
Yes.
Yes, masih ya.
Yes.
Oke.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. So, well, everyone, today we are going to describe about the person, and the one that we are going to describe today is about friends. Jadi hari ini kita akan mendeskripsikan teman kita. Let me ask you, do you have any best friend? Apakah teman-teman punya teman dekat?
Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
Okay. How close do you with your best friend? Seberapa dekat kamu dengan temanmu?
Dekat nadi.
Sedekat nadi. Oh my God. So you means that you really trust your friends. Berarti si Salwa sangat percaya dengan temannya.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Okay. Is there anyone ever deceived by a friends? Ada nggak yang pernah dikhianati oleh temannya?
Ada.
Ada si Siva. You? Is that you? Apakah si Siva?
Yes.
Yes. Oh my God. And then what do you do when they deceive you? Deceive you, I mean. Apa yang dilakukan si Siva saat itu? When they try to deceive you. Ketika semuanya mencoba untuk ngebuat si Siva down.
Maybe backstreet.
Do you stay away? Apakah si Siva menjauhi temannya?
Backstreet.
Cut off.
Okay. Cut off. Do you cut off your friends, Brudian?
Yes. In some circle, I thought it's toxic. Last year, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But so means that how many friends do you lost? Berapa teman yang Brudian kehilangan? Berapa teman nih? After you cut lost them.
7 or 8.
7 or 8.
But it's not problem for me.
Okay.
Hilang,
But
Caca.
do they work in the same place with you?
No.
No. Okay.
It's
Fortunately,
just
no.
community.
Oh, in a community. Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, so well everyone, today we are going to describing about our friends karena kita mau mendeskripsikan teman kita. Before that, we are going to back to our module. Kita kembali ke modul kita dulu tentang mendeskripsikan seseorang. Gimana sih caranya mendeskripsikan seseorang? Poin apa saja yang bisa kita deskripsikan? I have a picture. Saya punya 4 gambar di sini. Do you know who are they?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes, coba. Number 1, who
Oh
is
no,
he?
artis.
Deddy
Yeah.
Corbuzier.
Deddy
Corbuzier.
Corbuzier.
Oke, Deddy Corbuzier. Are you a big fans of him? Apakah teman-teman fans
Nggak.
besarnya Deddy?
No.
No,
Nggak.
big no.
Oke, he
No.
is handsome.
No.
Please,
No.
but
He's
No.
kepala botak.
Oh my God, puas banget Bu Sam ketawanya. Oh. Oke, and then the second one, who is she? Do you know her?
Najwa.
Najwa.
Siap.
Najwa
Najwa
Shihab.
Shihab.
Oke,
Yes.
are you a big fans of Najwa Shihab?
Yes.
Yes, giliran yang cantik kan dia, iya ya Bro Jody.
Because he's
Okay.
smart.
Oh,
Yes,
because
That's
he's
right.
smart.
Ah,
Okay, and then for the next, who is the beautiful singer here?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor
Taylor Swift.
Okay, Taylor Swift. Do you know any songs of her? What is
Uh,
your
Yeah.
favorite title?
24.
Enchanted and
24.
Space Blink.
22.
2022.
Blink.
2022.
And
Love
then what else?
Story, Love Story.
Love Story. Oke. Yang paling terkenal itu adalah Love Story ya.
Yeah.
Oke.
And
And then the
ini
last but not least, who is he?
Justin
Justin
Bieber.
Bieber.
Justin Bieber. Okay. Are you a big fan of him?
No.
No.
Yes.
I
Okay.
dislike him
Mhm.
because he has
No.
kasus.
Because he has.
Kasus.
Oh,
PDD.
okay.
Ah.
Oh.
He's just a victim, I think.
So, yeah, he is a victim. But we don't know sih. Tapi kita juga nggak tahu behind of it. Mhm. That was a rumor that we see in some of the social medias. Okay, for the first one, we are going to describe about Deddy Corbuzier. When we look at his appearance, bagaimana penampilan fisiknya? If you told me that he is not handsome, but he still have another, what is that? Strength of him. Coba, can you describe about his appearance? Another, he's not handsome. Apalagi? Is he
Big
tall?
and
Apakah
muscular.
dia orangnya tinggi?
Yeah. He is
Yes.
tall.
Okay,
Hmm.
he is tall. What about his body? Bagaimana dengan badannya?
Big.
The
Big
body
body.
perfect.
Big,
The body is
muscular.
perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
Muscular. Okay.
Kepala
Do you
botak.
want to have a body like him? Pengen punya badan kayak Deddy
No.
Corbuzier?
No.
No.
Not really.
Oke. Kalau saya kok malah serem ya, gitu loh. Lihatnya malah serem.
Yeah.
Gak gigit.
Okay. And then when we try to describe about his face, coba deskripsikan wajahnya, bagaimana dengan hidungnya? Is he has pointed nose? Apakah dia punya hidung yang mancung?
Yeah, I think so.
No.
Yes.
No. It's
No.
Button up. Bulat kecil gitu.
Apa tuh sedang?
Sedang. Medium.
Yes, medium. He knows it's medium.
Medium.
Okay, his nose is medium. What about his chin? Bagaimana dengan ini? Janggut apa ini? Janggut.
Woi, anjing.
Dagu.
He's got a surgery before.
Oh, he got surgery before. And then what do you think about his appearance? Is it good for him?
Yeah, it's good.
Good or not,
Better
Sistia?
than
Better.
Cocok berjenggot.
Wait, when you know him for the first time, what was he? Dia dulu seorang apa?
he's magician.
Magician ya? Magician.
Mentalist.
We still remember that he has a black spot in his eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hitam putih.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
Hitam putih.
Hitam putih kan? Itu one of the
Yes.
program.
Bend
Itu
the spoon.
programnya after he become magician. Setelah jadi pesulap kan dia terus handle hitam putih. Nah, waktu dia jadi pesulap itu kan tampilannya he likes to wear a coat, a suit.
The skirt,
Nah,
the
Yes.
Oke. Terus does he has a hair at that time?
Yes.
Masih punya rambut
When
nggak saat
he
itu?
magician.
When he was
Yes.
a magician.
He's still.
Masih ya?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He has
he
a
was.
hair. He has hair.
He still have, tapi di kepang kalau nggak salah.
Iya,
Oh
di
iya, di
belakang.
kepang, dikit.
Gondrong.
Okay, I still remember that. And then after that, he handled a program on the televisions, and his program's name was Hitam Putih.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
But after that, a few years later, and lately, we didn't see that program anymore. Kenapa kira-kira nggak dilanjutin programnya? Padahal kan program bagus tuh.
It's because of
Daripada
pandemic.
yang sekarang ya,
He's
Brownies.
running a YouTube channel right now.
And it's because of
Okay.
pandemic in
Yeah,
2020.
because now he is also a podcaster. Yeah, and also it because of pandemic. Do you like to watch his podcast? Apakah teman-teman suka nonton podcastnya?
Yeah.
Yes. Pothub.
What about the last
On
one? The last
Saturday.
podcast?
Agus Buntung.
Iya,
Agus itu.
The Victim of Agus.
I didn't watch it.
Agus.
I didn't watch it.
You didn't watch it, Bro Dian?
No.
Okay.
I prefer Pothub with VD in Saturday morning.
Oh, okay. And then the last podcast that we can see from his channel was The Victim of Agus. And then for the next we have Najwa Shihab. What was he? What was she? Dulunya dia sebagai apa sih? Reporter. Okay, in one of the natural disaster in 2006, 2006 ya, Aceh itu.
Iya.
2006 atau 2004? 2004 ya. It means that 20 years ago. Jadi 20 tahun yang lalu he was a reporter. He reports about the condition of tsunamis in Aceh. And after that, her career is developed to be selanjutnya dia jadi apa?
Newscaster.
News anchor?
Presenter.
Okay. And after that, setelah itu he has his own program. The name is Mata Najwa. Okay. But now the program also is stopped, right? Kita nggak tahu. Masih ada nggak Mata Najwa? Nggak ada kan?
Masih ada musim pilkada aja.
Itu di narasi malahan. Di channelnya sendiri, di TV-nya sendiri. Okay. When we look at her, ketika kita nonton atau ketika kita melihat Sis Najwa, what do you think about her appearance? Bagaimana dengan penampilannya? Is she beautiful?
Yes, that's right.
Yes. Okay. Is she a cup of your tea? Apakah dia tipenya teman-teman?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, Bro Sam ya. Oke, Bro Sam's Cavity. Jadi tipenya Bro Sam itu seperti Najwa Shihab speknya. Oke. What about her body? Bagaimana dengan badannya? Is he has ideal body, fat body, or slim body?
Slim.
Very ideal.
Ideal ya. Ada yang bilang ideal, ada yang bilang it is slim body. And then what about her face? Bagaimana dengan wajahnya?
Beautiful.
Okay, she is beautiful. What about her nose? Bagaimana dengan hidungnya? Pointed nose. Okay. What about her eyes? Bagaimana dengan matanya? Sharp. Oke, makanya programnya adalah Mata Najwa karena yang khas dari Sis Nana itu adalah sorotan atau tatapan matanya.
Yeah, that's right.
And then for the next one, okay, the beautiful singer here. Do you think she is a beautiful singer ever?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. We know that she has a pointed nose and also beautiful eyes. And then he has a long blonde hair. Rambutnya panjang, warnanya blonde. He has an ideal body, I guess. Of course, because he is a singer, so means that she has to keep her body's fit. Okay. And then the last we have Justin Bieber. How can you know him for the first time? Bagaimana teman-teman kenal dia pertama kalinya? What songs that he sings? Lagu apa yang dinyanyikan?
First
Do you still
single.
remember?
Sorry,
Baby, first single.
sorry.
Baby. Kalau aku dulunya taunya tuh gara-gara lagu Baby. Baby,
2010.
baby. Nah, that's Justin Bieber booming in that time. Okay, viral on that time. And then what do you think about his face? Is he handsome?
Very handsome.
Very handsome. Okay. And then do you think that he has ideal body? Masculine body?
Yep,
Yes. Okay. Sis Yemima, is he a cup of your tea? Apakah dia tipenya Sis Yemima?
not really.
Not really. What do you like from Justin?
I just like his face.
Okay.
But I like him
Nah,
now with the mustache.
yeah. Okay. He has a kid, right? A daughter or a son? Anaknya cowok atau cewek? Do you
Not
know?
sure.
Okay, I'm not following Justin, so I don't really know well about him. Okay, so well, everyone, how to describe someone? Now I have two kinds of paragraph. Ada dua contoh paragraf ketika kita ingin mendeskripsikan seseorang. Bro Joni, coba. Bro Joni, can you read Maria?
Repeat. Maria. Maria.
Paragraf Maria.
Maria. My sister name is Maria and she is 23 years old and she works in an office. She is tall and has long brown wavy hair and she has green eyes.
Eyes.
Eyes. Maria sometimes wear red glasses and she often reads book in the library when she doesn't read. You can sometimes find her in the gym. She likes to exercise 2 or 3 times a week because she likes to exercise. She is thin, strong, and healthy. She is thin, strong, and healthy. She is also a very funny person, and she loves to talk with people and make the lunch loud.
Make them laugh.
So she
laugh.
Make them laugh. She has a lot of friends. Maria has a big friendly smile, and I think she is a beautiful person. Everyone loves her, and of course, I'm very happy that she is my older sister. Enough,
Okay.
sis.
Enough. Thank you,
Yes.
Bro Johnny. Okay.
Welcome.
And then for the next, I'm going to call Sis Dija. Are you there, Sis Dija?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you read Sam? Bagian Sam.
My brother is name is Sam and he is only 10 years old. He is an elementary school student in grade 4. He is younger and shorter than I am, but he says that he is tallest person in his class. Sam has short red hair, prickles, big ears, and a small mouth. He doesn't wear glasses. Unfortunately, he doesn't like to study very much. He thinks it's much better to watch TV and play video games. His favorite game is Bullet Monster Shark Attack. He says that he wants to be an airline pilot when he grows up. Sometimes on weekends, his friends come over to our home to play. Sam is my brother, and I like him, but sometimes he's he is a little lazy and a little noisy.
Okay, thank you, sis.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so well, everyone, here we got two examples of describing person. Number one is Maria and the second is Sam. So, well, everyone, from this paragraph, we can take the conclusion if we want to describe someone, the first thing that we have to do is about mentioning their name. Jadi kalau pertama-tama ketika teman-teman ingin mendeskripsikan siapa orangnya, teman-teman yang bisa lakukan adalah yang pertama menyebutkan siapa namanya. Yang pertama kan my sister name is Maria. Yang satunya my brother's name is Sam. Nah, and after name, we have she is 23 years old. Yang satunya he is only 10 years old. Berarti setelah nama apa?
Usia.
Usia. Oke. Oke. And then after that, after the age, nama, umur, she works in an office. She is an elementary school student grade 4. Berarti apa?
Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan. Oke. Nama, usia, pekerjaan. And then she is tall and has long brown wavy hair and she has green eyes. Oh, yang ini.
Ciri-ciri.
Ciri-ciri fisik ya. He is younger and shorter than Nam, but he says that he is the tallest person in his class. Sam has short red hair, freckles, big ears, and a small mouth. Oke, yaitu mendeskripsikan ciri-ciri fisiknya. Untuk ciri-ciri fisiknya, kita bisa lihat di modul, teman-teman. Ada dua cara untuk mendeskripsikannya. Number one, you can mention the both part of body and also the adjective. Teman-teman bisa langsung mendeskripsikan bagian tubuhnya. Oke, tinggal kalau kita mau mendeskripsikan dia perempuan, maka kan kepunyaannya dia perempuan. Contohnya adalah rambutnya. Rambutnya dia perempuan. Her hair. Oke. Rambutnya dia perempuan pendek. Bahasa Inggrisnya pendek apa?
Short.
Short. Oke, jadi kalau rambutnya dia perempuan pendek, her hair is
Short hair.
Oke. Her hair is short. Langsung aja. Her hair is short. Jadi rambutnya pendek.
Hair is short.
Oke. Kulitnya dia perempuan putih. Berarti her skin is
white.
white. Oke, good job. Rambutnya dia laki-laki panjang.
His hair is long.
Oke. His hair is long. Oke. Kalau matanya dia laki-laki sipit.
Eyes is small.
Oke. Eyes, mata. Mata ada dua. Berarti kita pakai is atau are? Are. So, his eyes are
small.
sipit itu narrow.
Narrow.
Berarti his eyes are
narrow.
Oke. Kalau hidungnya dia laki-laki mancung.
His nose is
pointed. Oke, itu cara pertama. Sebutkan bagian tubuhnya dan karakternya. Yang kedua, teman-teman bisa langsung menyebutkan kepemilikannya dengan menggunakan kata kerja utama yang artinya punya. Jadi kalau she, he, it kita pakai has. Kalau subjek Ayu Dewi kita pakai have yang artinya saya punya, kamu punya, mereka punya, dia perempuan punya. Dia perempuan punya apa sih? Nah, punya apa? Nah, ini ada di sini. Misalkan dia perempuan memiliki mata sipit, bisa narrow, bisa slant. Oke. Jadi kalau dia perempuan punya mata sipit, berarti
She
she
has
has
slant
He
eyes.
slant
has slant eyes.
eyes. Heeh. Jadi she has slant eyes. Oke. And then for the next, dia perempuan punya bibir yang tebal. Berarti
She has full lips.
bibir
thick
tebal.
lips.
Thick lips.
Thick
thick
lips.
lips.
Oke, thick lips. Berarti she has thick lips. Kalau dia laki-laki punya bibir tipis, kebalikan nih. Lebih
He
he has
thin
Thin
lips.
lips.
thin lips. Oke, he has thin lips. Dibalik, bibirnya dia laki-laki tipis. Gimana dong?
His lips
Heeh.
are thin.
His lips
Oke, his lips are thin.
are thin.
Nah, dibalik. Jadi ada dua versi. Teman-teman boleh langsung menggunakan his lips are thin atau he has thin lips. Sama aja. Sama-sama mendeskripsikan kepemilikan. Nah, nih. Oke, mulai dari mata, matanya yang seperti apa? Slant eyes, mata sipit, wide eyes, mata lebar, cross eyes, mata juling, round eyes, mata bulat. Skin tone, yaitu warna kulitnya. Kalau brown, coklat, dark gelap, white putih, fair or beige, kuning langsat, light tan, coklat cerah. Ada nose, pointed nose, yaitu hidungnya mancung. Kalau button nose itu bulat kecil. Nah, and then turn up nose, hidungnya mancung lancip. Oke, and the last is flat nose, yaitu pesek hidung saya. What about your nose? Bagaimana hidung teman-teman?
Flat nose too.
Flat nose. Oke. Punya
Must.
saya pesek kalau dilihat dari depan. Soalnya mancungnya ke dalam.
We are same.
Oke. And then we have lips. Nah, ada full lips berarti atas bawah tebal, round lips bibirnya bulat. Thin lips biasanya kan ada bibirnya tuh yang imut kecil gitu ya. Bulat. Nah, ada thin lips bibirnya tipis, thick lips bibirnya tebal. Ada hair, curly hair, rambutnya keriting, straight hair, rambutnya lurus, frizzy hair, rambutnya ngembang, afro hair, rambutnya kribo. Jadi kalau kita ingin mendeskripsikan, dia perempuan memiliki rambut kribo. She has afro hair. Langsung aja. She has afro hair. Kalau dibalik, rambutnya dia perempuan kribo.
Her hair.
Her hair is
afro.
afro. Okay. And then we have body. Ada tall, tinggi, short, pendek, fat, gemuk, skinny, kurus, ideal body, yaitu badan ideal. How about your body? Do you have short or tall, fat or thin?
Fat.
Fat. Oke. Tandanya sehat kok si Salwa. Bahagia berarti. Oke. Nah, here are the character of physical appearance. Nah, ini adalah contoh dari ciri-ciri fisiknya. Okay, and then for the next one, disambung. After we describe about their physical appearance, the next thing that we can do is about sometimes Maria wear red glasses and she often read books in the library. When she doesn't read, you can sometimes find her in the gym. She likes to exercise 2 or 3 times a week. Berarti dia mendeskripsikan apa?
Hobi.
Hobi, oke. Bisa hobi atau something that he likes, something that he dislike, or habit, kebiasaan juga. Kalau yang ini, he doesn't like to study very much. He thinks it's much better to watch TV and play video games. His favorite games is called Monster Shark Attack. He says that he wants to be an airline pilot when he grows up sometimes. On weekend, his friends come to over our home to play. Jadi dia mendeskripsikan juga tentang kebiasaannya, apa yang dilakukan Sam setiap hari weekendnya bersama teman-temannya. Okay, and then for the next, she is also a very funny person and she loves to talk with people and make them laugh. So she has a lot of friends. Berarti dia deskripsikan apa ini? Tadi kan penampilan fisik. Terus?
Dia seorang periang. Sudah tertawa.
Itu apa
Sifat.
namanya?
Adjective.
Sifat.
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 Oke. Oke, sifat. Nah, karena tadi Maria sifatnya adalah funny person, orang yang sangat lucu dan suka ngobrol dengan orang. Kalau si Sam itu sifatnya adalah sedikit pemalas dan berisik. This one. In the end of the sentence of paragraph. Okay, so we can take the conclusion. If we are going to describe someone, the first thing that we can do is about tell their name, sebutkan namanya, and the second it's about their age, umurnya. The third is about their job, okay, pekerjaannya. The fourth is about physical appearance, and the fifth, it also you can tell about the character.
Characters.
And then the sixth, you can tell about habit. Boleh.
Kebiasaan.
Like atau dislike juga boleh. Nih, 6 poin to describe someone. You have to remember that. Diingat-ingat ya, nama, umur, pekerjaan, penampilan fisiknya, karakter orangnya, terus kebiasaannya. Okay. So those are the key if you want to describe our friends. Now let's back to our question today that we are going to discuss. Okay, who is your best friend? Jadi siapakah temanmu? Langsung deskripsikan namanya siapa, umurnya berapa, kerjanya apa, fisiknya, sifatnya dan kebiasaannya. Number 2, do you have a lot of friends? Apakah kamu punya banyak teman? How many? Berapa banyak? Do you always remember your friend's birthday? Apakah kamu selalu mengingat ulang tahun teman-temanmu? Do you trust your friends? Apakah kamu percaya dengan temanmu? Why or why not? Kenapa dan kenapa tidak? How often do you go out with your friends? Seberapa sering kamu pergi keluar bersama teman-temanmu? Do you usually visit your friends' houses? Apakah kamu biasanya mengunjungi rumah teman-temanmu? Do you often give present to your friends? Pernah nggak? Atau sering nggak kamu memberikan hadiah kepada teman-temanmu? Do you only have friends of your same sex? Apakah kamu hanya punya teman satu gender? Why? Kenapa? Do you always tell your secret to a good friend? Apakah kamu selalu menceritakan rahasiamu kepada teman baikmu? Do you have any key pals or pen friends? Key pals atau pen friends itu adalah teman dunia maya. Oke. Why? Kenapa? Do you like to gossip about your friends? Apakah kamu suka ngegosip tentang temanmu? Suka nggak teman-teman?
No.
No. Tapi kadang kita yang digosipin. And then, are your friends more important than your family? Apakah teman-temanmu itu lebih penting daripada keluargamu? Have you ever been deceived by a friend? Pernah nggak kamu dihianati temanmu? Why? Kenapa? Do you make friends easily? Apakah kamu gampang berteman? Where? Di mana? Do you always trust your friends? Apakah kamu selalu percaya dengan temanmu? Do you act out in front of your friends? Apakah kamu bermuka dua di depan temanmu? Can you keep a friend secret? Bisakah kamu menjaga rahasia temanmu? Do you think friendship is important in people's life? Apakah persahabatan itu penting di kehidupan seseorang? Nah, those are the questions that we may discuss with our friends about friends in a breakout room. Oke, waktunya kita bergosip tentang teman kita ya guys. And here we go.